So a common question from our customers is how to change the battery inside a key fob. And it's actually really simple. Let me show you how. So typically there's two types of key fobs. The first type is the one that has a notch on the side of it. And you're going to use my favorite tool to trade, a penny. So just stick the penny in the slot, press down and twist, and it'll open like so. The other type of key fob you may encounter is the kind where you actually have to remove part of the key fob to get to its slot. So on this particular one, I'm going to press the button on the back, slide out the key, and then I'll just use a flathead in the slot and I'll just pop it open. So now that we've got the key fobs open, we can replace the batteries. In my case, both of them are CR2032s. You can head to batteriesintheflash.com, type in CR2032 in the search engine, and you'll find all the available options.